Hello students, in this video I am going to discuss some problems on congruency of a triangle. Let us discuss few more congruent conditions. First, it is triple S congruent condition. Triple S congruent condition stands for side 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 congruent condition. It means two triangles said to be congruent by triple S congruent condition if all three sides of one triangle are equals to all three sides of other triangle. As you can see in the figure, the side AC is equals to QR, AB is equals to PQ, and the side BC is equals to PR. So triangles, they become congruent by triple S congruent condition. Triangles become congruent by triple S congruent condition. Let us discuss one more condition, which is RHS, right angle, hypotenuse and side congruent condition. Now this condition is only applicable for right angle triangle. So you can see in the figure there are two right angle triangles in which angle B and angle R, they are 90 degree. So in this right angle, hypotenuse and side, this condition is valid if we have a right angle. Second, H stand for hypotenuse. Hypotenuse of a triangle should be equal. As you see that in the first triangle, angle B, its opposite side is AC, which is the hypotenuse. In second case, it is PQ, which is the hypotenuse, and both of them, they are equal. And right angle, hypotenuse and third side, it is a side, any one side, it is AB, and here it is PR. They are equal, so triangle become congruent by RHS congruent condition. Or if the side AB is equals to QR, still it will be congruent by RHS congruent condition. So we see that the triangles congruent, they are congruent by RHS congruent condition. Let us discuss some problems related to these conditions. The first problem is the two triangles. One triangle is ABC, second is DBC. They have drawn on the same base BC, and it is asked to prove that AP is a perpendicular bisector of BC. For proving this, we have to prove BP is equals to PC and angle 3 is equals to angle 4. Each one is 90 degree. For proving this, we are going to prove it by using this triangle ABP and ACP congruent. This is not congruent in the present situation. We have to prove it congruent. If angle 1 and angle 2, they are equal, then triangle become congruent by side angle side. So our first step here will prove these two triangles congruent. If we prove these two triangles congruent, then angle 1 and angle 2 will be equal because of a CPCT. So first step, we start the question from this triangle, the triangle ADB and ADC. So here these triangles, they are congruent by triple S. AB and AC is equal, AD, DC is equal, and AD is a common side. So they are congruent by triple S, or we say that 1 and 2, they are equal because of a CPCT. Now in the second case, we are just coming to the main triangle ABP and ACP. So these triangles become congruent now. Here AB and AC is equal, 1 and 2 we have just proved, AP is a common side. So triangle congruent by side angle side. Or finally we see that BP is equals to PC because of a CPCT, and angle 3 and angle 4, each one is equal, and let this to be X, and their sum is 180 by linear pair axiom, and each angle comes to be 90 degree, which prove the result. Now let us discuss the second problem. In the second problem, AD is the altitude of a isosceles triangle ABC, as you see in the figure here, and the side AB and AC is equal. In the question is asked that AD will bisect BC and also bisect angle A. So it is the same simple problem. We'll prove these two triangles congruent. For proving it congruent, they are congruent by right angle is their hypotenuse, and one side AD is a common side. They are congruent by RHS, and finally we can say BD is equals to DC CPCT, and angle 3 and angle 4, they are equal because of a CPCT. So this is an easy problem to solve. Let us discuss the third problem. The two sides AB, BC and median AM of one triangle ABC are equals to the side PQ, QR and the median of another triangle PQR. We have to prove triangle ABM and PQL congruent to each other and triangle ABC and PQ are congruent. So in the first case, we have to prove triangle PQM and PQN, they are congruent. Before that, let me explain you about the concept of a median of a triangle. Now suppose we have this triangle, and we want to draw a median of this triangle. For drawing a median, we have to select a vertex and then the midpoint of opposite side. So since this is the opposite side and its midpoint is somewhere here, so we just draw this one. This is the median of a triangle. Now sometime if we draw this value here and this angle is 90 degree, so this is the altitude and this length is a median. So there is a lot of difference between median and altitude. Altitude is always perpendicular to the opposite side and median is a line segment that join vertex to the midpoint of opposite side. So here AM is a median, PN is a median. So third dash mention this third dash. All bases are equal, so their half also equal. So we will mention it. Let us start with the first step. In the first step, we are going to prove these two triangles congruent. Now these triangles become congruent by triple S congruent condition. As you see, AB is equals to PQ, BM is equals to QN, and PAM is equals to PN already given equal in the question. For writing BM and QN equal, since in the problem the side BC is equals to QR. So if these two sides are equal, BM is half of a BC and QN is half of a QR, so they are half also equal. So triangle become congruent by triple S. We need the information of angle B and angle Q, so each one is equal because of a CPCT. In the next step, we'll be coming to the main triangle ABC and PQR. They will become congruent by side AB is equals to PQ, B and Q we just proved it. BC is equals to QR, that is given. So triangle become congruent by side angle side, which proved this question. Here is question number 5. In this question, this is exactly same as we discussed the previous question earlier. It is asked in the problem to prove that angle B is equals to angle C. Now it can be proved easily by proving triangle congruent by RHS, and angle B and angle C, they are equal because of CPCT. We have one more question in this question. BE and CF are equal altitudes of a triangle ABC. BE and CF equal altitudes of a triangle ABC. By using RHS congruent rule, prove that this triangle is isosceles triangle. For proving it isosceles triangle, we have to prove the side AB is equals to AC, or second option will prove angle B and angle C, they are equals to each other. So for this, I am selecting a triangle, the triangle BEC, and second is CFB. These triangles, this is BEC first triangle and the second triangle is this triangle. These two triangles will prove congruent by RHS as it is stated in the question. Right angle is there because each one E and F they are right angle. Hypotenuse of first triangle is BC, and for second again it is BC. Hypotenuse is there and one more side is equal. BE is equals to FC. These sides are equal. They are congruent by RHS congruent condition. But still we want to prove here the side AB is equals to AC. For proving it, if you see in the first triangle BEC, this is the angle C, and this is the angle B. They are equal because of a CPCT. As they are equal because of a CPCT, then C is opposite to AB, angle B is opposite to AC. So these sides are equal, and because the side opposite to equal side of a triangle are equal, and finally we say that this is isosceles triangle. I think this is clear to you. Thanks for watching this video.